Hello and welcome to this amazing course on strategic market research. In this video, we are going to explore the significance of market research in making strategic decisions for businesses. So let us dive right in. Market research serves as the backbone of strategic planning. Its primary focus is on gathering valuable insights into customer behavior, preferences, and market trends. By analyzing data systematically, businesses gain a profound understanding of their target audience, competitors, and the dynamics of their industry. First, let's talk about customer understanding. Market research is the key to unlocking the secrets of our customers' minds. We employ various techniques like surveys, focus groups, and customer feedback to grasp what our customers really need, desire, and the challenges that they face. Armed with this knowledge, we can develop products and services that perfectly cater to their demands. It is like having the superpower to read your customers' minds. Now on to competitor analysis. Remember, we cannot overlook the competition. Studying our rivals is essential if we want to stand out in the market. Through market research, we can identify their strengths and weaknesses, which empowers us to position ourselves effectively and gain a competitive edge. Think of it as a ninja move in the business world, stealthily outsmarting your opponents. Finally, we come to market trends and opportunities. In this ever-changing landscape of markets, adaptation is the key. Market research allows us to stay one step ahead by spotting emerging trends and identifying new opportunities. It is like having a crystal ball for business success, foreseeing what lies ahead and making well-informed decisions. So, market research is the secret sauce that makes strategic decision-making effective. With it, we can make informed choices and drive towards sustained growth as well as success. Now let us get into how market research plays a vital role in strategic decision making. Number 1, risk mitigation. Market research is like a safety net for businesses. It helps us mitigate risks associated with launching new products, expanding into new markets, or making any significant market entries. By understanding what our customers want and the dynamics of the market, we can make calculated decisions and reduce the likelihood of failure. It's like having a superpower that shields us from potential disasters. Now let us talk about setting realistic goals. We all know that achieving success requires having clear and achievable objectives. With data-driven insights from market research, we can do just that. By understanding the market's size, potential, and demand, we can establish milestones that are actually achievable. And you know what's even better? We can track our progress effectively, making sure we are on the right track to conquer those goals. Now, resource allocation is a big deal for any company. We all have limited resources, be it time, money, or manpower. So it is crucial to allocate these resources wisely. And that is where market research comes to the rescue. By understanding the market needs and customer demands, we can strategically allocate our resources to areas that matter the most. It is like being a master chess player, making every move count to win the game. Next is decision validation. Market research helps us validate our decisions. When we are faced with critical choices, we do not have to rely on guesswork. We can put our hypothesis to the test and conduct feasibility studies using market research. This way, we can confidently move forward with strategies that have the highest probability of success. It's like having a crystal clear roadmap that leads us to victory. So market research is like our business compass, guiding us through the storms of uncertainty. It helps us minimize risks, set realistic goals, allocate resources wisely, and validate our decisions. All right, let's dive into the fascinating world of market research methods. So we have got 3 primary types, each serving a unique purpose in gaining valuable insights. First up, we have quantitative research. This method is all about numbers. So we collect numerical data to analyze trends and patterns in the market. How do we do that? Well, surveys and questionnaires are some of the common techniques that we use to gather quantitative insights into customer behavior and preferences. It's like crunching numbers to uncover the secrets hidden within. Next one is qualitative research. Unlike quantitative research, this focuses on understanding the human side of things. We want to get into the minds of our customers, understand their perceptions, motivations, emotions. How do we do that? Well, we have got some cool techniques up our sleeves. Focus groups, in-depth interviews, and even ethnographic research, where we observe people in their natural environment. It is like stepping into their shoes and seeing the world from their perspective. Now, let me introduce you to secondary research. This one is like diving into a treasure trove of existing data. So instead of going out and collecting fresh data, we analyze information that is already out there. So we have industry reports, government publications, and academic papers. It is like tapping into a vast knowledge bank without having to start from scratch. And guess what? It not only provides us with valuable context, but also saves us time and resources. So there you have it. 3 powerful market research methods. Quantitative research for crunching numbers and spotting trends, qualitative research for understanding the human side of things, and secondary research for accessing existing knowledge and data. Each method has its own strengths, and when combined, they give us a comprehensive view of our customers and the market. By understanding customer preferences, analyzing competitors, and keeping an eye on market trends, businesses can make well-informed choices that lead to growth and success.